In front of me is REALME GT7 and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and tapping on Allow in all available pop-ups. Then choose those three dots at the top right corner. Select Settings and operate all of those however you wish to. Go back, use red button to start recording and the same one to pause it or unpause it. To take up photo mark, hit photo mark on the right. Tap on while using the app or only this time. Take a pic and to discard it use this X. To add it, tap on the check mark. Now to add a standard bookmark, click on mark icon on the left. To end and save your recording, hit save at the top right corner. Name it and tap on save here. Now to play it, click on it. To manage it, use all of those options at the bottom. Tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Or go back, hold it here and use all of those options, like delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!